Hello? In the previous video, we completed the registration steps for the Optimus broker. In this video, we intend to verify the account and complete the identity verification steps. In this section, you need to have an image of your identity document.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
And upload it for the broker. In the government issued picture ID section, and also for the residency document, you must upload a document that includes your details and your residential address. For the identity document, you can use an official passport, a driver's license, or an ID card. And for residency proof, you can use utility bills such as electricity or water bills, or documents that include your full address. We have uploaded the documents. We select the next option. In this section, you can add funds to your account. By logging in again, you can return to this page. If you haven't made a deposit yet, you can fund your account using several different funding methods that are available. If you are not a United States citizen, you are required to provide additional documents. If the client is not a United States citizen, the broker may request some necessary or relevant additional documents from them, such as a copy of a passport, driver's license, or ID card, and for proof of address, documents like utility bills can be used, and you can also send your documents to the email address mentioned here for faster review. After submitting the application, you will receive an email from the broker stating that your application has been received and is under review, and do not submit another request as it will negatively impact the process. After approval, you will also receive an email from the customer service team containing details regarding fund deposits, platform access, and other specifics. So this email means that your account and request have been received, but the account must be reviewed. After that, you will receive another email indicating that your request for trading at Optimus Futures has been registered. An identification document, which is a clear PDF file of your ID, which can be a passport, driver's license, or your ID card. Both the front and back sides of the document must be clearly visible. The expiration date must be clearly visible, and you can use other documents such as utility bills in PDF format, internet or TV bills, phone bills, mortgage statements, and lease agreements as proof of address. All documents must include your first name, last name, and physical address, and they must be in English or translated into English. You can also upload your documents through the link provided. If the link doesn't work directly, you can copy and paste it into your browser and proceed that way. Now, let's click on the link. In this section, you need to select your identity verification method via SMS or via email. You can choose whichever option you prefer. For verification, a one-time code will be sent to the contact number you provided in your new account application. You must select your country code, enter the number, and click on the Confirm Your ID option. We need to enter the code that was sent into this field. We copy the code from the email inbox and paste it into the corresponding section. Then we click on the Confirm Code option. The code has been accepted. Now we select the next option. In this section, we upload an identity document, which can be an ID card, passport, or driver's license. We select the next option. In this section, a residency document from within the last 90 days must be uploaded in PDF format to register the address. We select the next option. We've completed the steps. Now we select the Submit option. Our request has been registered and received by the broker, and we will certainly receive a response via email once our documents are reviewed, and after you send the email to confirm your account details, you will need to wait for a response. Optimus Futures broker will then send you an email to let you know that your account has been verified. This message confirms that your information has been checked and approved. Be sure to keep an eye on your inbox for this important notification, as it means your account is now ready to use. In future videos, we'll be with you to discuss deposit and withdrawal methods at Optimus Futures Broker. Good luck!
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.